Welcome to my food for life.
Let's make delicious chicken strips. Take 500-gram boneless chicken. Add half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons hot sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons soya sauce and mix it. Marinate it for 2 hours. Add 1 tablespoon corn flour in 1 egg, add 1 tablespoon black pepper, 3 tablespoons milk and 1 teaspoon salt and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and maida. Coat chicken with maida, then dip chicken in cold water. Dip chicken in egg mixture, then again coat it with maida. Fry it on medium flame until it turned golden brown. Delicious chicken zinger strips are ready. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.